Hey guys, Sean here from Tesla Family. I just had a couple packages here dropped off at the house. In these two packages are two fun products from the Tesla shop. So what we have up here is going to be the Cybertruck Wind-up Racer, and in this larger box below, this is the Levitating Cybertruck. Let's do an unboxing and check them out. All right, let's get opening. Love this part here. All right, first we're gonna open up the Cybertruck Wind-up Racer. This little box here took a long time to get here. Ordered it on the Tesla shop when they first unveiled it in mid-December, and it just arrived here yesterday, which was the 4th of February. So yeah, that took a long time to get here. Paid $35 for it, but it was $47 total with tax and shipping on top of that. So let's see if it's worth it. So small box, even smaller box here. This really isn't much bigger than a VCR tape, if you're old enough to know what that is. And like everything from Tesla, you get these really nice boxes here. It says Tesla on the front, and then on the top, Tesla Wind-up Racer. Yeah, take a look at that, super cool. And check it out, it even has the broken windows from the Cybertruck unveil event. Looks really well made. There's a very high detail here in the wheels. Stainless steel looks sharp, and even the wind-up device on top. Let's pull it out. It's got some weight to it too, wow. I mean, this is really nice for $35, I would say. It's actually made of metal and plastic on the top. It looks just like a real Cybertruck. Here we are on the bottom. It's even got the Cybertruck graffiti on the bottom, Wind-up Racer. Love these wheels, nice thick wheels. This is a 1/43 scale. So it looks like they've scaled everything down to make it look proportional. Are there any instructions in the box? I don't see any instructions. Of course, how much more difficult can it be than just simply winding it up? Let's see here. We'll do a half turn for now. Okay, there we go. Wheels got moving here from a half turn. Do a full turn across the dining room table here. Give it a little boost. Must be you gotta wind it up a lot more. We'll try it again on the living room floor here in a minute. But again, super nice detail to the Wind-up Racer. I think this is totally worth $35 as long as it works here in the test. Maybe the only thing that would make it better would be if it had actual lights that ran off the wind-up device. All right, it's time to give the Wind-up Cybertruck Racer a test drive here on the hardwoods of the living room. I'm gonna wind it up and I'm gonna send it down toward that cushion chair down there to catch it so we don't damage our brand new Tesla Cybertruck. Let's see how many winds we can do here and how fast it'll actually move. There's a full wind, 1.5. There's 2. I think that's probably good enough. Set it down. and let it go. There it goes. And yeah, it doesn't move very fast, at least with 2 winds. Let's do more winds. Why not? We got to jack up the kilowatts here. So there's 1, 2, 3. That's about it. I think we're maxed out here at about 3 turns. And we're going to let it go. There we go. It's a little bit more speed. But there we go. I mean, it's super simple. It definitely can go a lot further. See here, when I release the wind-up mechanism, the wheels are going to spin pretty quick. And yes, this is a rear-wheel drive Tesla Cybertruck. So what do you guys think of the Cybertruck Wind-up Racer? I think it's pretty neat. It's definitely not as fast as my 1/64th scale Hot Wheels Cybertruck RC or my Hot Wheels 1/10th scale radio-controlled Cybertruck. Both of these are pretty quick. I've got videos on both of these as well. If you want to see the video on the 1/10th scale, click the link above for that one. And if you want to see the video on the 1/64th scale Cybertruck RC, click the video on that one. All right, moving on to the Levitating Cybertruck, and this was not $35. This was $250. So I hope it's really cool, and I imagine it is. Let's open the box and check it out. This I ordered from the Tesla shop on the second round that it was offered. The first round it sold out within minutes, and I was too late to place an order. It had already sold out. Had to wait for it to come around a second time and jumped on it at that time. $250. It's only money, right? Lots of packaging. Even more packaging in a big box. So this is more of a shoebox sized box, wrapped in plastic. And again, we have another super nice box here. I know it's just a box, but Tesla really puts a lot of work into shipping their products in amazing boxes. This reminds me a lot of the box that my Estes Cross SpaceX Falcon 9 model rocket came in. Super nice package, just like this one here. Let's take a closer look. All right, so you can see here that you've got this like black gloss on it that says Tesla Levitating Cybertruck. Down here, the Tesla logo. Don't see anything on the side. And in the back, it just says Tesla Levitating Cybertruck made on Earth by humans. And there it is. Wow. This has just an amazing display, just like the Wind-up Cybertruck Racer. Just sitting here in the display box, this is super nice as well. I can already feel the magnetism here with this thing. As I just went to go pick it up, it slid, it jumped forward actually. But look at the detail here, from the tonneau cover to the amazing gloss black roof and windshield glass. Really nice finish here on the stainless steel, although this is actually all plastic, I think, in order to save weight. So I'm going to pick it up, and here it is. Looks kind of like a cyber sled. On the bottom, it's completely smooth. On the back, I believe this is an actual working taillight. actual working headlight, and just really nicely made here. Below this in the box is the quick start guide for Levitating Cybertruck. We'll see how quick it is. I've heard it can be very challenging to actually get this to levitate. Even this quick start guide is really well made. I mean, look at this, just black paper here with this nice white to silver glossy, like a Cybertruck silver text. First step is power your levitation base. Achieving levitation will require practice and may take multiple attempts. We need to center it over the levitation base. Levitating the Cybertruck, start from a height of around 4 inches. Slowly lower the Cybertruck with both hands directly over the center. Keep it level until you feel upward magnetic force. Do not release Cybertruck from your hand and correct the direction of the Cybertruck until you feel it's balancing on the proper levitation point. There's an on and off switch here for the headlight and tail light. It says, important note, after 10 unsuccessful attempts, it is normal for the electronics inside the base to become warm. A temperature sensor will automatically turn off the base. Okay. All right, let's take a look at this levitation base. It's a really nice foam separator here. And beautiful packaging here. Look at this. We've got the adapter for the USB-C cord. This, wow, amazing flat USB-C cord. This is really nice too. I mean, you know, for 250 bucks, it better be premium. And this is a very hefty levitating base. There must be a big magnet inside. Check it out. There's the Cybertruck triangle logo. All right, so I've moved over here to our bookshelf, and I think this is a pretty cool place where we could display Levitating Cybertruck. I've got the levitating base on the shelf here with the cord running behind and down into a wall plug. And here is our Levitating Cybertruck. Let's give this a try and see how hard it really is. Look at that. I've already got the lights on. This is cool. What do you think? Tail light? Oof. Yeah, that's a strong magnet. There really is like a pencil thin balance point. This is pretty challenging here. You just got to go left and right with it. And as soon as you get even like 1/8 of an inch off that center axis, it wants to just jump down, right? See that? I caught it. Once you get close enough, you can actually hear the electricity flowing. It's pretty neat. That's tricky. Woo! Oh, look at that, 4th time. I just set it down and wow. That was so much easier. I just set it down and there it is. There's our Levitating Cybertruck. That is so amazing. Check it out. I love that the lights are on it. It spins around. Look at that. Levitating Cybertruck. I don't know if I could fully put my hand under there, but there is nothing in there but magnetic field going on. I love that it spins like that. That's so cool. Let's go ahead and set this next to the Cybertruck Wind-up Racer. All right, so here's our Cybertruck Wind-up Racer parked next to our Levitating Cybertruck. 2 really fun products from the Tesla shop. $35, $250. This one we can roll on the floor. This one we can't, but it floats. I mean, it's just amazing, and it's just kind of, it's like magic in front of you. And I love that there's a light on it. Let's do the light on and off. There's a switch here, we can do that. So there's the headlight, and then on and off. It still levitates, but we can turn the headlight and taillight on and off. And I can give it a little faster spin. All right, so let me know in the comments below, do you think the Cybertruck Wind-up Racer is cooler than the Levitating Cybertruck? Or is the Levitating Cybertruck cooler than the Cybertruck Wind-up Racer? I want to hear your thoughts. And whether or not you'd spend the kind of money that I spent on these two things from Tesla. All right, guys, I'm here with all my Cybertrucks. Such a fun collection here. The next step, obviously, is to be the owner of a full-size Cybertruck. A few weekends ago, we did an awesome 24-hour test drive with a Cyber Beast and a non-Foundation series all-wheel drive Cybertruck. Click the link above if you want to check out that video, and hopefully I'll have a delivery Cybertruck video for you very soon. Thanks for watching the video. If you really liked it, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to Tesla Family channel here for free on YouTube. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll get back to you soon. We really appreciate all of our subscribers and anyone who watches our videos. Thank you very much. Check out more of our videos linked to the end screen of this video and on our videos, shorts, and playlist tabs. If you're on social media, like us on X and follow us on Facebook. Use my referral link to buy a new Tesla and get up to $1,000 off the purchase price. Or use my referral link to order solar roof, solar panels, or Powerwall from Tesla and get a reward back after activation.